So how to use in Zoom, how to share your screen. I'm using this on an iPad right now. So when I go into Zoom, if I join with video, and down here, I'll use internet audio. So obviously there's no students in here. I'm gonna minimize this. And up here at the top where it says share content. So if I did have students in here, I wanna share what's on my iPad. I just press share content, and you can share your screen, you can share photos. Down at the bottom where it says whiteboard, a whiteboard will come up, and then you can write on here. So I could do a math problem with a student. So, I'm doing this. They are seeing my screen. And then down at the bottom, if I hit the arrow right here, that expands. Like I can change the color. I can add text if I wanted to. You can do those different features. Eraser right here. So if I wanted to erase that, change the, or when you select the pen, change the color. So then if you want to go to the next, a new slide, down here, there's a trash button if I want to get rid of the slide. But next to that, there's this plus, and I can once again write. Let's see here, I need to select the pen. So whatever I'm writing, add a new slide. And then what I can do is I can hit this and go back to those slides. So, and then let's say I don't want this slide anymore. I hit the trash button, and that's how you use this. So then when I'm done, I press stop sharing. Oh, nice and close right there. I'm gonna edit that out. So then when you're done sharing, you press stop sharing up here, and it will stop sharing. It'll go back to camera. So if I press stop share, nice big. All right, so that's how you use Whiteboard that's how you use Whiteboard on the iPad. And you can use, so just so you know, you can use your finger. Like this is me just writing. So if I actually did a math problem, you can use your finger. You can buy pens. You don't need anything fancy. This, of course, there's expensive like Apple pens, but this is just like a back of a stylus. You can write using that. So whatever works for you.